I know, look, before you say anything, before you close the video, I know it might sound like a stupid idea to do a video about this topic, but you'd be surprised about how many people ask about these things, how many people are not aware of these things. So let's just do what we always do. What's up guys, welcome back to iTutorTherapy, back with another video, and today we're gonna talk about how to navigate the materials and how to communicate with the agents efficiently. Intro. Okay guys, welcome back to another tutorial from iTutorTherapy, and today we're talking about the navigation of the materials. We are right now in the practice room for demos, and I am going to show you a few tricks in order to make the navigation through materials much faster and smoother. The first thing I recommend for you to do is do not go to any page that you want one by one click, because that doesn't look very good. It looks like you don't know where the page is. I recommend that you actually familiarize yourself with the titles of these slides and just know where you want to go immediately. For example, personally, I don't go to this one or this one when I start teaching the kid. I spend the first couple minutes talking to him about his name and age and happy or not happy, and then I go straight, boom, introduce new words, cat. Okay, I do not go through. So it would look much nicer on my end to go straight to the first page instead of just going one by one, right? So the first thing is use the titles on the tabs. The second thing is actually, if we go to the big materials that has many different topics and you are teaching something, again, the same thing. You can go to the hello page, to the animals page. It doesn't matter. Just familiarize yourself with these tabs so you will be able to do that very smoothly and easily. Now, let's say you are in here and you run out of time, you finish teaching and you want to go to the end. Do not waste the time going step by step. And believe me, it might sound ridiculous to you, but some people do that, all right? Or some people get confused and don't know how to go to the end page. So I recommend you either go here and scroll all the way up to the ending page, or even easier, if you are in the middle, look at this one here, this arrow and line. This one is the last page button. Click on the last page button, it will take you there, and that's it. So try to find a way to always smoothly navigate the slides in order to make sure that it doesn't look to the client like you are not familiar with the slides or you don't know where everything is. Okay, now as for the second advice I'm going to give you today, it's regarding the communication with the demo agent. Usually we would have in here a student, and underneath him or next to him would be a demo agent, right? So if you want to communicate with the demo agent, you are supposed to be teaching. You're not supposed to be typing anything that the student cannot see. So this is why we recommend to quickly use these canned, messages on the side. They are prepared. They are ready to go. If you want any of them, just click boom, and it will be sent to the agent in their own native language, in Chinese. So that will make it easier for you to communicate with him and make sure that there is no language barrier coming in between you guys or any miscommunication. Okay, and also you will not waste a lot of time typing a message to the agent. Now, of course, this is concerning most popular scenarios. However, if you have a specific problem that you need to tell the agent, then you can already go ahead and just message him yourself. But don't forget to use this one. It can be a very useful tool and a time saver sometimes. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. That was how to efficiently communicate with the agent and how to efficiently navigate through demo materials. This can help you a lot, and I know it might sound ridiculous that I would make a video on a topic like that. It's very simple and straightforward, but still I'm pretty sure that someone out there didn't know that, and I don't leave any stone unturned. I don't assume everyone knows something. I do my best to give you guys all the information and put everything out there. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you for all the people who liked and subscribed to my channel, and I can't wait until we reach 1,000 or 5,000 or whatever. I want to say thank you so much. I am very happy, and I will see you next time. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I promise you things are gonna get more interesting, especially over the next couple weeks, and I will see you next time. Peace.